In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Upwork profile visibility from private to public. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so clients can discover your profile again. This is especially useful if your profile was set to private due to inactivity, or if you previously hid it and now want full visibility. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and open the official Upwork website. Once you're on Upwork, make sure you're logged in so you can access your account settings and profile. Look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile picture or avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, choose the option labeled Your Profile. This takes you to your freelancer profile view, where you can see your title, overview, work history, and other details that clients see. On this page, find and select Profile Settings. This opens your profile-specific settings where Upwork lets you control who can view your profile. In the settings, locate the section named Visibility. This is the control that determines whether your profile is hidden, limited to Upwork users, or visible to everyone. Click the drop-down arrow in the Visibility section to reveal the available options. You'll typically see choices like Public, Upwork users only, and Private. Public means anyone on the internet can view your profile, and it can be indexed by search engines. Upwork users only restricts visibility to people who are logged into Upwork. Private hides your profile from search and from most users, which can reduce your chances of being discovered. Choose Public from the list. As soon as you select it, Upwork will save your choice automatically, so there's no separate save button to press. You may see a brief confirmation indicator showing that your changes were applied. After a moment, your profile is now publicly visible, which means potential clients outside of your current network can find and review your services. A couple of quick tips to make this change work harder for you. Since public visibility can be indexed by search engines, make sure your profile title and overview include clear keywords for the services you offer, and review your portfolio and rates for accuracy before you switch. If you ever need to reduce exposure, you can return to the same visibility dropdown and select a more restricted option at any time. That's it. Simple and effective. You've changed your Upwork profile visibility from private to public, and you're ready to be discovered by more clients.